Have you just entered a flat in Sharjah and realized that there is no gas connection yet? Your agent or building management tells you to apply through SEWA, but when you open SEWA application, you don't know where to start. No worries, in this video I will tell you step by step how to apply for SEWA gas connection. Do watch the video till end. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, do subscribe my YouTube channel. In order to apply gas connection, the first thing you have to do is install the SEWA application. We will easily find it in our Play Store or App Store. The application looks like this. We will simply install the application in our mobile phone. Two things I would like to tell you before applying for gas connection. You have to be handy with the SEWA account number, and number two, your electricity and water connection should be completed. After this only we can apply for SEWA gas connection. And the account number, you will be receiving SMS from SEWA if you have applied for your electricity or if you have done the move-in. If not, you can just contact your agent or the owner. Okay, so the application looks like this. And here, if we scroll down, we don't need to log in, okay? We'll just simply scroll down. You see, services, we'll click here. Once we click here, it looks like this. The third option, gas conversion residential. We'll simply click here and it looks like this. You see the account number option? We'll enter the account number here, okay? Once we enter the account number, we'll just hit the done button. And simply, SEWA will fetch all the details. You just confirm yourself. If the details are correct, just click on next button. Okay, before that, we will have to take the appointment date. On which date you want the SEWA person to visit your flat. We'll take 29th and we'll click on next. And then lastly, click on submit. We will wait for some time. Okay, as you can check, request successfully submitted. Your service request has been successfully submitted and you get the request number as well. One more thing I would like to tell you, someone has to be present on the scheduled date, because the date that you have selected, technician will visit to work and he has to work in two places. First in the gas room, second in your stove. So in order to complete the connection, someone has to be present on the scheduled date. If you like the video, please don't forget to hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, do subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.